Did you know that there's a planet where it rains glass sideways? HD 189733b is an exoplanet located about 64 light-years from Earth. It's known for its extreme weather conditions, including winds of over 5,400 miles per hour, 8,700 kilometers per hour, and temperatures reaching 1,700 degrees Fahrenheit, 930 degrees Celsius. But what's truly remarkable is that it rains molten glass sideways, due to the high-speed winds. The planet's blue color is due to the silicate particles in its atmosphere, which scatter blue light, similar to Earth's sky, but far more dangerous.